Hey guys, Sean Leonard here. Take a tour of this awesome condo with me. All right, we've got a great one here. This is a 1-bedroom condo on a golf course. So let's take a tour of this thing. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the price was just dropped to $300,000, which is a great deal for condos in this area. So come in, see through there. Here is the main living room. Now you can kind of see that the owner just replaced the flooring in the living room and the bedroom. And then you can also see here to the kitchen. So upgraded the countertops, as you can see here, have been upgraded. So over the original units, which you might see in this area, they've upgraded to stone countertops, painted the cabinets. So you've got some nice upgrades in here, especially with them redoing the flooring. Originally, I think these came with carpet and they pulled that out and put in that nice final laminate. All right, let's check out. So here is the bedroom. So it is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. It does have a nice walk-in closet, and it is $850. Overall, the condo is 850 square feet. And then this one is a real treat because it is on the golf course. So you actually are against the golf course. So you can sit out here, watch the sunset, have morning coffee, right looking at the golf course. So kind of see down here, there is the golf course view. So yes, so it's very pretty, and you have the golf course right outside your door. So you can easily sit outside on your patio, which you can see right here, and enjoy the golf course. So this is a great condo option, especially with them lowering the price to $300,000. This is a great opportunity. If you are interested in seeing this or any other properties, please let me know. I'm here to assist you. Again, my name is Sean Leonard. I'm with Housing Around AZ, part of Realty One Group. Feel free to hit me up.